By the end of this module, you should be able to list common components present in the mini-split systems and describe the function of each component in the mini-split system.
The mini-split air conditioner components include outdoor condenser unit, indoor unit, refrigerant tubing, refrigerant control valves, remote control or thermostat, condensate drain line, power cable, air filters, fan, control board, expansion valve, and sensors. The outdoor condenser unit is a key component of a mini-split system located outside the building. It houses the condenser coil, compressor, and a fan. Its primary role is to release heat from the refrigerant, promoting the cooling process. The condenser coil, located within the outdoor unit, receives high-pressure, high-temperature refrigerant gas from the compressor. The compressor pressurizes the refrigerant, raising its temperature. The outdoor fan assists in dissipating heat by blowing air over the condenser coil. Heat is released to the external environment, causing the refrigerant to condense into a high-pressure liquid. The condensed liquid refrigerant then travels through the refrigerant tubing to the indoor unit. The indoor unit is a critical element of a mini-split system, usually mounted inside the room. It contains the evaporator coil, blower fan, and air filter. Its primary role is to absorb heat from the indoor air, cool it, and circulate the conditioned air within the room. The high-pressure liquid refrigerant from the outdoor unit enters the evaporator coil within the indoor unit. The evaporator coil expands the liquid refrigerant, causing it to evaporate into a low-pressure gas. As the refrigerant undergoes this phase change, it absorbs heat from the indoor air. The blower fan circulates the now cooled and dehumidified air throughout the room. The air filter within the indoor unit captures dust and particles from the circulating air. Refrigerant tubing consists of copper or aluminum pipes that connect the outdoor condenser unit to the indoor evaporator unit. Its role is to provide a conduit for the refrigerant, facilitating the flow between the two units and enabling the heat exchange process. The refrigerant tubing serves as a conduit for the refrigerant, allowing it to flow between the outdoor condenser and indoor evaporator coils. The tubing ensures a closed-loop system for the refrigerant, facilitating efficient heat exchange between the indoor and outdoor units. Insulation is often wrapped around the tubing to prevent heat loss or gain. Refrigerant valves are components located within the refrigerant lines of a mini-split system. They play a crucial role in regulating the flow and pressure of the refrigerant, controlling the system's cooling or heating capacity. The remote control or thermostat is a user interface device, either handheld or wall-mounted, used to control the mini-split system. It allows users to adjust temperature settings, select operating modes, and set fan speeds. The remote control or thermostat provides a user interface for controlling the mini-split system. Users can adjust the desired temperature, select operating modes, and set fan speeds. Some advanced models may also feature programmable schedules and smart capabilities. The condensate drain line is a drainage pipe connected to the indoor unit of a mini-split system. It serves the purpose of removing condensed water, humidity, from the indoor unit, preventing water damage and maintaining indoor air quality. As the evaporator coil absorbs heat and moisture from the indoor air, condensation forms. The condensate drain line ensures the removal of this condensed water, preventing water damage to the indoor unit and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Some systems may use a condensate pump to move water to an external drainage point. A mini-split has different components, each with a specific role. These mini-split components work together seamlessly to keep our homes warm or cold when needed, just like a team.